Hey, what's up, VNSHers? So I just wanted to address some of the concerns we've heard, and we listened to all of our customers, and so I wanted to show you a quick strategy that you can use to maybe help you if it affects you. So basically what I'm going to do is take the VNSH holster and I'm going to put it on, and as you can see here, I'm wearing an undershirt. And so this undershirt is going to allow me I guess guard, you could say, against any type of hook digging into the skin of any area that may be exposed. So I like to put my VNSH holster on backwards and then turn it around. So did I also mention I like to appendix carry? So, lift this up. Now my mic is in my back pocket, so it might be kind of getting in the way, but my firearm has been safety checked, so I'm just gonna reholster this with one hand, okay? Okay, and there we go. So as I said before, my undershirt is going to alleviate and act as a protecting guard if any type of the hook is touching any part of my skin. Now I lined it up perfectly, so that's not going to be an issue for me. But if you're in a hurry and you want to snap it on quick and maybe you miss the alignment, then you can obviously put on an undershirt, but that's kind of one of the reasons I like to put on my VNSH holster backwards and then twist it around.